Most people get this wrong when trying to cancel Albert Genius. They delete the app and assume the subscription is gone, only to discover they're still being charged later. Here's the truth no one tells you. Canceling Albert Genius is simple, but only if you follow the right steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to cancel your Albert Genius subscription in 2026, what happens after cancellation, and the common mistakes that can keep charges active longer than expected. Let's get straight to it. First, open the Albert app and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, tap your profile icon or account settings section. From there, look for Membership, Genius, or Subscription Settings. Albert occasionally updates its app layout, but subscription management is typically found inside your account settings. When you find the Genius Membership section, select the option to manage or cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts on screen and confirm your cancellation request. Sounds easy, right? But here's the problem. This is where most people fail. Many users close the app immediately after requesting cancellation, without checking for a confirmation message. Always look for a cancellation confirmation screen, email, or notification. If you don't receive confirmation, verify that the membership status actually changed inside your account. Now here's where it gets interesting. If your subscription was started through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, you may need to cancel it directly through that platform instead of inside the Albert app. For example, if Alex subscribed through his iPhone, he might need to open his Apple subscription settings and cancel Albert Genius there. In a minute, I'll show you how to verify that your cancellation was successful. Before that, let's talk about what happens after cancellation. Canceling Albert Genius generally stops future subscription renewals. However, access to certain premium features may remain available until the end of your current billing cycle. That means you may continue using eligible features until your paid period expires. This is where many people get confused. Seeing premium features still active doesn't necessarily mean the cancellation failed. Check your renewal date and subscription status before assuming there's a problem. To verify everything worked correctly, return to your account settings and review your membership information. The status should indicate that your subscription is canceled or set not to renew. You can also check your email for a confirmation message and monitor future billing statements. If you don't see the cancellation option, encounter technical issues, or continue seeing unexpected charges, contact Albert support directly through the app or official support channels for account-specific assistance. To recap, sign into Albert, open your membership settings, cancel the Genius subscription, confirm the cancellation, and verify the status afterward. That's the safest way to avoid unwanted renewals in 2026. If this guide helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with any Albert-related questions you'd like answered next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.